I'm gonna do a tutorial on omelets. Right here I have a 8-inch pan. I'm gonna make a 3-egg omelet. I usually use 3 eggs, but if you want to use more, you might need a bigger pan. Make sure it's non-stick. That's really important for this. Then I have it on medium heat, and I have here my filling. I'm going to saute that first. I have jalapenos, tomatoes, mushroom, onion, bell pepper, and smoked sausage. That's just what I had in my fridge, but you can use anything. You can use whatever meat you want, whatever vegetables, whatever you have. I really like to use spinach, but I don't have any of that right now. And you want to make sure your filling is soft, because it's not really going to get cooked in the omelet, so it needs to be cooked beforehand. So if you have anything raw, you need to cook it at this point right here. While that's sauteing, your 3 eggs need to be well beaten and seasoned, however you want to season them. I just put a little pepper and Italian seasoning in mine. I like to use a lot of colors in mine instead of having all green things, so I added the tomatoes, and I love vegetables, so I call this the garden omelet.